Hi there guys, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sparkling colada with our pina colada syrup and our grenadine syrup. So if you're ready, let's get started. So our first step is going to be to add our syrups into a shaker. If you don't have a shaker and you're making this at home, you can always just put it into a glass and stir it. This is just a little bit easier. So we're going to start with 2 pumps of our pina colada syrup, and then just 1 pump of the grenadine. And the funny thing about grenadine, everybody always thinks that it is cherry flavored, but it's actually pomegranate. Fun little fact. And this is just 4 ounces of pineapple juice. I'm gonna do a scoop of ice. I'm gonna shake this really well. Here. I'm gonna add just a little bit more ice on top, not too much because you are gonna add some soda water in here. We have some pineapple leaves here, a pineapple, and a maraschino cherry. And there you have it, a nice virgin sparkling colada. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do make it at home, be sure to tag us on social media. You can find us at Amoretti on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. We hope to see you next time. Bye.